Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you another delicious special kakanin here in the Philippines. The BIBINGKAng Malagkit with sweet shredded coconut toppings. This kakanin is made of glutinous rice, sugar, coconut milk, then topped with coconut spread with shredded young coconut, and then baked. This is just like the BIKO. The difference is BIKO is usually topped with latik, while BIBINGKAng Malagkit is topped with the coconut caramel spread. But my recipe, I level it up to make it more delicious, so I added the shredded young coconut. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are 3 cups of rice, 5 cups of water, 1 or 2 pieces of pandan leaves, 2 cups of white sugar, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of shredded young coconut, 5 cups of pure coconut milk, 8 cups of second extract of coconut milk. First, we're going to wash the glutinous rice and then put this in a rice cooker, and then we're going to cook this just like the rice, except that we're going to add less water than we cook rice, because anyway we're going to cook it again and then bake. So for 3 cups of rice, we're going to add around 5 cups of water, and then cook this in a rice cooker. Then add the pandan leaves and cook just like the rice. For the sweet coconut, this is 2 cups of pure coconut milk plus 6 to 8 cups of second extract. Then we're going to add 2 cups of white sugar and a pinch of salt. Then we're going to cook this until slightly thick and creamy. Keep on stirring. For those outside of the Philippines, you can just use 4 cups of pure coconut milk instead of the 2 cups of pure coconut milk plus 6 cups of second extract. Now this is ready. We can now add the cooked rice. Now we're going to pour this in our prepared pan and then put the topping and bake. Pour the 3 cups of pure coconut milk. Add the 2 cups of dark brown sugar. Continue stirring until the sugar is melted. Then we're going to add the shredded young coconut. Continue stirring until the young coconut is cooked and until the mixture is thick. Now that it is thick, see, we can now add the all-purpose flour mixture. Now this is done. we're going to pour this mixture to our cooked glutinous rice. Now, we're going to pour this into the prepared pan. We're going to pour this. Then we're going to bake this for at least 30 minutes. Now our bibingkang malagkit is baked for 45 minutes. Look. There you have it. My bibingkang malagkit with sweet young coconut topping. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!